Save more with the Low Payment Kings at the Monroe Superstore.
The Low Payment Kings have dedicated and certified sales and service teams that are trained to meet the commercial and agricultural vehicle needs of our local farming and ranching communities. Whether you're looking for a Ram 1500 regular cab, Ram 3500 heavy-duty diesel dually, 4500, 5500, cab and chassis with an upfit on it, a Ram ProMaster van, a Jeep Wrangler, a Jeep Gladiator. We know trucks, we know Jeeps, and we mean business, and we are here to satisfy you. The Low Payment Kings are one of only a few dealerships in the country that are agricultural certified dealerships, which means we're trained, prepared, and ready to satisfy you, and we have special incentives that we can offer you that other Ram and Jeep dealers cannot offer you. The Low Payment Kings have a tremendous selection of commercial vehicles and Jeeps to satisfy you. The Low Payment Kings want to serve you more and save you more. The Low Payment Kings recognize that the agricultural industry is not a 9-to-5 job. And due to the unique industry of farming and ranching, you may require special payment requirements. So whether you want to make payments just a few months of the year or only make a couple monthly payments per year, we can custom design a purchase or lease program for you on vehicles that'll satisfy all your needs at payments that'll fit your budget. We also offer our Business Link program, which is a no-cost program designed to save you time and money, keeping you on the road and in your fields and getting the job done on your ranch or farm. Our Business Link benefits include available local shuttle service, next bay service, courtesy rental vehicles, financing expertise, upfitter connections, and 24-hour towing assistance. As an established certified agricultural dealership, the Low Payment Kings can offer you exclusive benefits with our Ag Pack. The Ag Pack is a powerful package of farm and ranch management tools worth over $15,000. This is all on top of normal incentives that you get at any other dealership in America. This package is yours free when you purchase a qualified truck or SUV from the Low Payment Kings. We are one of only a few dealerships in America offering ag-friendly financing from one of the nation's largest agricultural lenders. What does Ag Pack include? Well, let me give you a few examples. How about a couple of these? More than $5,000 in exclusive rebates on Michelin and BF Goodrich tires from tractors to trucks to toys. 25% off MSRP on Rhino Ag products, plus a gift card valued between $100 and $200. A 1-year free subscription to Agra Edge valued at $5,000. $2,000 towards Agro Liquid Crop Nutrition plus free soil test and 1-year consultation with Agro Liquid Agronomist. $1,000 towards a new Reineke irrigation system and $500 towards parts on an existing Reineke system. Exclusive after-purchase rebates of up to $350 on EBY flatbeds, truck bodies and upfits, and up to $1,000 on stock, equipment, and grain trailers. Again, please visit lowpaymentkings.com to get more details. And again, when you visit lowpaymentkings.com, you can check out hundreds of vehicles, videos, Low Payment Kings specials. You can schedule a service appointment. You get pre-approved for your loan or lease. You can apply for a job there.
Visit us today at monroesuperstore.com.